5 natural remedies for an enlarged prostate. According to the U.S. National Institutes of Health, an enlarged prostate is a condition that almost half of all males between the ages of 51 and 60 have. Furthermore, approximately 90% of men over 80 will have it. There are now medications, surgical procedures, and minimally invasive treatments to treat an enlarged prostate. Nevertheless, there are also equally effective natural remedies that can improve your outcomes. Let us discuss 5 of those natural remedies today in this video. Following are those 5 natural enlarged prostate treatments that are backed by research. 1. Take vitamins and supplements. Vitamins and supplements will support your immune system and give your body the strength to fight various conditions. In particular, you should boost your vitamin C and iron intake. According to a 2006 study published by the European Urology Journal, taking these 2 as supplements is incredibly beneficial in addressing prostate enlargement. Additionally, take high-quality saw palmetto supplements. These are commonly found in health food stores. According to the NIH, extracts of this plant have been proven effective in managing prostate enlargement and other health complications that arise from it. 2. Eat plenty of tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals that support a wide range of health functions. More specifically, a 2012 study published by the Journal of Oncology showed that men that ate more tomatoes had healthier prostates and were less likely to develop prostate cancer. Based on the study, the antioxidants in tomatoes are effective regardless of whether it is eaten fresh, cooked, or processed. So you can include sliced tomatoes in your diet, enjoy them as soup, or use them more frequently as a sauce for your meals. 3. Drink lots of green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that offer potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. For men specifically, a study published by the American Journal of Epidemiology shows that regular consumption of green tea leads to a healthier prostate. To maximize this simple beverage's benefits, ensure you get high-quality green tea. Variants like sencha and matcha will help protect your prostate gland and reduce your chances of developing prostate cancer. 4. Prepare meals with garlic. Garlic has many uses in traditional medicine, but for the prostate gland specifically, it is valued because of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This means using plenty of garlic in your cooking will help reduce prostate enlargement and minimize your risk for prostate cancer. Additionally, a 2007 study published by the Molecular Nutrition and Food Research Journal shows that garlic is especially effective in preventing and treating male malignancies, including prostate-related issues. 5. Eat a lot of broccoli. Broccoli is rich in a compound called sulforaphane, which, according to a 2015 study published by Current Pharmacology Reports, is especially useful for supporting prostate health. More specifically, consuming plenty of this will give your body the nutrients it needs to fight prostate enlargement and prevent prostate cancer. Although broccoli florets are a good source, you can also get sulforaphane from broccoli sprouts, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale. These natural remedies for an enlarged prostate are easy to access and integrate into your diet. They're all backed by science, so you know that each should help boost your prostate health. Whether you already have prostate issues or want to prevent them from developing, keep these 5 remedies in mind. Following are study references we used to help create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.